The customs and traditions are people's way of lives and determine to a large extent who they are and what they are known for. Ndi Igbo in southeast region of Nigeria are known for their business inclination, which is passed down from generation through generation through the apprenticeship system. Our correspondent, our Abuja Bureau Chief, Princess Ekwi Ajide, takes a look at this Igbo boy system.
Apprenticeship system or Igbo boy is a form of mentorship which prepares youths of Igbo extraction for a better tomorrow in whatever field they find themselves. This trend, which soared to the growth of many illustrious Igbo sons today, stakeholders say is being overtaken by the unbridled quest for quick wealth and negligence by the leaders. According to a businessman and a philanthropist, Sir Emeka Okosa, the basis of development of Ndi Igbo has always been self-help, hard work, determination and belief in God. But the present-day youths seem to be deviating from the norm and are looking out for quick wealth. He said both government and the private sector have a lot of work to do to set up programs that will attract young ones and make them learn the value of hard work as the trend of quick wealth leads to do.
What we see today, you hear things like Egombute and all that, it leads to nowhere. Anything that lacks the right foundation will not end up well, and that is the case. But underlying that is solid education. A lot of our younger ones don't go to school. Previously, those who don't go to school, most of them ended up trading. Very, very good way to grow. And the principle of Mwaboy worked very well, and that's what helped to develop Anambra State and Ndi Igbo in general. But today, both education and apprenticeship they've disappeared.
Barrister Adoro For, on the other hand, said mothers can do a lot in changing the narrative, especially as in the end, it is women who bear the brunt of bad upbringing. According to her, mothers sometimes become depressed owing to actions and inactions of their children. They believe that if Ndi Igbo set their priorities right, they will go back to what they were originally known for, which is hard work. In Abuja, Princess Ekwi Ajide reporting.